What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to Amusement Time, and we just got some big news out of Universal Studios Hollywood, so you know what? Let's take a closer look. Alright, my friends, we got an awesome major announcement coming out of Hollywood talking about the studio tour, so you know what? Let's take a closer look. Alright guys, let's take a look at the statement that Universal Studios Hollywood put out today about Fast and Furious Supercharged. Alright guys, and it says, the Fast and the Furious Supercharged attraction on the Universal Studios Hollywood World Famous Studio Tour prepares for its last ride on March 10th. You hear that, guys? March 10th. So you want to ride it? March 10th is the last day, guys, so get your rides in now while you can. It says, as the theme park readies for an all-new high-speed outdoor roller coaster, Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift, guests and fans invited to experience the adrenaline-infused studio tour ride before it closes. Then it also says, an exciting all-new studio tour attraction to be announced soon. So what do you guys think it is? I've seen a whole bunch of speculation today. I've seen some stuff about Harry Potter. I've seen some stuff about maybe Wicked. But let me know, what do you guys want to see? I want to see something like original. You know, I want to see some old school Universal Studios. I want to see either Back to the Future or E.T. I know it's not trending right now, you know, it's not really the biggest thing, but I never really was a big fan of Fast and Furious, and look at them building more and more Fast and the Furious stuff, and then there's no Back to the Future, and there's no E.T. and stuff here in Hollywood, you know, but let me know what you guys want to see. You know, I know that Wicked is super popular right now, so Wicked would be really plausible to be put in there right now. I could believe that, you know, or Harry Potter, because Harry Potter is a really big IP for Universal, you know, but I would love to see some nostalgic old school something, you know, like I would love to see a Back to the Future part of the studio tour. I don't know what they could do, you know, but something nostalgic I would love to see something nostalgic. Let me know down in the comments, what do you guys want to see as an attraction for the studio tour? There's so many different options, so many different IPs that they can choose from, and there's so many different awesome options that we can have, you know, but let me know down in the comments, what do you guys want to see? I'm really excited. Like I said, hopefully we get something nostalgic. I'm not really into Wicked. Harry Potter would be cool too, you know, but like I said, something nostalgic, you know, like a little bit of Back to the Future or E.T. or something from old school Universal, you know, something that we love. That would be really cool. I would love to see something nostalgic like that. But let me know down in the comments, guys, is this good news for you, or do you really love Fast and the Furious Supercharged on the studio tour and this is a big bummer, you know? But let me know down in the comments. I'm excited. I hope we get something really awesome, you know. But let me know, guys. I really appreciate you hanging out with me, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.